Hello, Cyrus, and everyone over there at Hunter HomeWorks. I hope you're doing well. My name is Charles. Thank you for connecting with me on Alignable. I just wanted to send you this quick video with a few recommendations. I was looking at your site, and I have a few recommendations for you to become more visible in front of your target clients, your target audience, and hopefully that can help you grow. Now, first of all, I just want to answer, why am I doing this? A lot of the times I found that talking to business owners, a lot of them are way too busy to learn this stuff. And then there's a steep learning curve as well. And then not a lot of business owners realize that 90% of adults these days use Google to search for local services, within their area. And those are mostly buyer intent searches. So as soon as they find a result, they're going to click because they need that service performed for them. 70% of those people, of that 90%, stick on the front page, stay on the front page. They don't go to page 2, page 3. They will click on anything on the front page. So in order to increase your visibility, it's really important to be on the front page of Google for those kind of searches that your target clients are making. Okay, so let me not waste any more time. The 3 recommendations I want to give you are content, citations, and backlinks. Content has everything to do with what's on your home page and your back pages. All the words, the pictures, the text behind the pictures. For example, like this picture here, if I try and save it, I can see what you saved it as, kitchen ISO. It's important to save your pictures with these keywords, and the keywords are the phrases that people type into Google to look for your services, and have your keywords all over your site. This is so that Google can tell that you're relevant for that kind of search. So to optimize on your front page, to optimize with Google, you need about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text that's keyword rich, meaning it's scattered all over with keywords. By authoritative, I mean text that shows who you are, what you do, locations you service, all the services, what you do, all the services you provide. This is so that Google can pick you up as being relevant. So when someone searches for what you're doing, they put you in front. Now I can see you don't have that much text on your front page, so I would definitely encourage you to increase the amount of text that you have. The second thing I want to just emphasize, second thing I want to talk about is citations. And now let's go to a Google search. So if I was looking for your services, I'd type in something like kitchen remodeling, Philadelphia. Now, the first thing you'll see on the results are Google ads. And I always tell clients, Google ads are good and bad. I mean, a hit or miss. They're good for getting quick leads. However, they can get more expensive depending on your niche and your location, because they're all pay-per-click. Usually it's pay-per-click, so it tends to rack up the more competitive your area is and your niche. The prices tend to rack up. Another thing people don't realize is that there's quite a number of people these days who have ad blockers that will block out these Google ads. So you'll be missing out on the target audience. I'm not saying that Google ads are bad, because they do get you quick leads if you can afford the price to pay for them. Second thing right below the Google ads you'll see is known as the map pack. Now, how do you rank higher here? If you click on more businesses, you will see, here we go, the rest of the businesses in the map pack, and you can tell that it is location oriented, more or less. So how do you rank higher and higher in the map pack? Well, it comes down to citations. A citation is anywhere on the internet that your name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories online. So having your name, address, and phone number exactly as it is on your Google My Business page, in different directories, relevant directories online. There are tools out there that you can look at your competitors and find out which directories they're in, what citations they have. And then now from that point, make sure you have the same citations, but not only that, you want to double them or increase them by 50 or 100 so that you stay on the top of this area. Locally, with local searches, local services, generally that's how you come to the top of this area, and you can stay there as long as you stay ahead of your competitors. The third thing I want to talk about has to do with this next section of the search results, which is known as the organic search listings. Now, how do you rank higher and higher here? Well, it comes down to backlinks. Citations help, content helps, and backlinks. A backlink, if you think of the internet as a connection of web pages, a backlink is when one web page links directly to you, directing traffic or directing people to your website. Not all backlinks are the same, because if it's imagine if it's a Cold Stone Creamery in New Jersey that has a blog up and they have a link to your website, that's not really relevant. Google sees that, and if it's not relevant, it counts that link as more spammy. If you have a remodeling conference in Pennsylvania and somewhere northeast Pennsylvania, and they have a link up, a blog, and they have a link to your site, Google sees that, sees it's in the same niche, and counts that as a more relevant and higher quality backlink. There are tools out there that you can actually go and find out what backlinks your competitors have. For example, let's take these guys, Wireless Kitchens. Now the tool I use, Wireless Kitchens, the tool I use is called Ahrefs, and I'm going to go to it right now, ahrefs.com. It's a popular tool. A lot of website SEO people use it. So I'm going to put in their entire site, not just that one page, and let's analyze the site. So you can see they have about 325 backlinks from 52 domains. So whoever's doing your website or your SEO would come in, look at your competitors, look at the kind of backlinks that they have. Sometimes you'll realize a lot of these are directories. For example, bigyellow.com, that's a directory, bigyellow.com. So a lot of their backlinks are coming from that bigyellow.com. Find a floor guy, that's another directory. Best online cabinets, that's another directory. So go in, look at your competitors, the ones who are ranking above you, especially closer to the top of Google, and make sure you have the same competing backlinks. Not only that, you want to double or triple the amount of backlinks you have so that you stay at the top of your game. Now, a lot of different SEO people would go in and just dump tons and tons of backlinks on your page all at once, and that doesn't help because Google can tell that that's not organic. SEO is a long-term game where you add them slowly and slowly, and then Google starts to pick you up more and more and more for those kind of searches. Now, to give you an idea or a clue about the number of people who are searching for you, for your services, I'm going to explore certain keywords. For example, home remodeling Philadelphia. About 150 people search for that every month. I'm going to look at matching terms. Ahrefs is a pretty powerful tool. Home remodeling Philadelphia, PA. That's 40 people looking at per month. Let's look at kitchen remodeling. About 300 people look for that, search for that every month. Kitchen remodeling Philadelphia, PA. That one keyword, 60 people searching for that per month. You can see there's a difference here because there's a comma. Kitchen remodeling Philadelphia, comma, PA. 50 people per month. I know you also do basement finishing. So let's look at that. Well, not necessarily basement. Oh yeah, basement remodeling Philadelphia. 150 people look for that every month. So if you increase those three things, your content, citations, and backlinks, you're sure to start ranking more and more and more for those kind of searches. Just make sure you're including a lot of the keywords it's known as keyword research. Research your competitors. Make sure you have their keywords on your site. Just one last one before I finish. I want to again look at these guys and look at the keywords that Google is picking them up for. I'll talk about that site in a minute. So let's put them in here. And we can see Google. No, that's just the one page. Okay, 65 of them. And these are the kind of keywords. Kitchen remodeling Philadelphia, 300 people look for that every month. Bathroom remodel Philadelphia, 200 people search for that keyword. So you can see there's tons of traffic available to you, that people are looking for these services. This site, Wireless Kitchen, they're getting this much traffic per month. 26 people just because of that, 23 people just because of that, because of their position on Google. They're on the first page for all of these keywords. So this is possible for you. If you can improve on these three things, you can definitely get more and more people coming to your site. Thank you. If you'd like to work with me, I'm more than willing to discuss. If not, no harm, no foul. Give this to your website person, to your SEO person, implement these things yourself, and hopefully you can grow and get more and more business coming your way. If you are interested, I just wanted to show you, just because I realized your services are exactly the same as a kitchen, bathroom, and basement, as a contractor out in Texas that I made their website for, focused on general contracting, home remodeling, home repairs, etc. So you can tell I have enough content here. I made them. I did my keywords research for them, so you can see that for example, general contractor Katie. That's one keyword. This is how you, excuse me. This is how you basically put the keywords into your text so that Google can pick this up. Home remodeling Katie, Texas. And then let's actually come here, and I want to type in, and just to show you, home remodeling Katie, Texas. See, 50 people look for that every month, and that's one keyword that I've put in here. Best kitchen remodeling, or kitchen remodeling Katy, Texas. And I used it because I realized that here we go, kitchen remodeling Katy, 50 people per month. Okay, that's where, there we go. Kitchen remodeling Katy, Texas, that's it. About 100 people a month search for that. So I was just giving you examples of how to naturally include keywords in your text and make sure they're about 1,500. Thank you, Cyrus. I hope this helps you. Give it, like I said, give it to whoever can implement it for you. I'm open to discussing if you would like to work with me. Thank you very much.